Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Pro Marketer app, which launched on the 15th of June at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this new release by Dan Green for this product, which is billed as an alternative to ClickFunnels and Convertri at a fraction of the cost. So in other words, it's a lead page build, it's a lead builder, page builder, and a funnel builder. Now, does it have all of the functionality of products like ClickFunnels? Well, no, the answer is it doesn't, but that is not the point, folks. Yeah, the point is that a product like ClickFunnels, which I use, and which can cost $297 a month if you have the full spec, the version that I've got costs me $97 a month, right? The fact is that most of you watching this, that are newbie internet marketers that are just starting off in this business, just starting off in internet marketing, or just starting off in affiliate marketing, you do not need a sophisticated product like ClickFunnels at this stage in your internet marketing journey. All you need is something that is going to produce for you good, high quality looking squeeze pages, lead pages, email marketing pages to get people onto your list, sales pages if you've got a basic product that you're going to start selling, and does Pro Marketer do all of that? Yes, it does, and more. And as I said, for a fraction of the cost of ClickFunnels, for in fact a one-off cost if you're getting this early in the sales period for as low as $17 one time. So if that sounds like something that's of interest to you folks, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up Pro Marketer app from the link immediately underneath this review video. I've put together 5 custom bonuses, and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point I'm afraid they will expire. Now, as usual, I wouldn't want that to happen, folks, because as the name suggests, they're custom bonuses, which means they won't be available from any other affiliate. Now, having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Pro Marketer app, because remember, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way better and indeed way more useful for you to succeed with Pro Marketer app than what anyone else is offering. So what actually is this? It's a powerful all-new page builder app like ClickFunnels and Convertri, but with 95% discount with no monthly fees and with free hosting. So this is completely hosted by Dan Green and the team, but there's an option you can get embed codes, which means that you can easily put it back onto your own hosting. So don't worry about that if you want to host it on your own site. There's a sales video here which is about 3 minutes long.
The last thing you need is to face hundreds of dollars in costs each month,
which you should watch, but the main thing that you should watch is the lengthy half-an-hour video, which is on my bonus page. And I'm also going to take you for a quick whiz around the members area as well. Here it is. This is the members area at Pro Marketer app, and we'll have a look at that in a little while. Firstly, let's just go through the key points. So it's a brand new page builder app like ClickFunnels or Convertri. You can create any kind of page you want or use the proven templates that come included. Free hosting's included as standard, all hosted by Dan and the team. No monthly fees, just one low payment needed. It's easy to use and it's newbie friendly. Just some examples of what you could pay at ClickFunnels and Convertri. These figures are completely accurate. I can vouch for that. Their current price is $297 a month for the fully fledged ClickFunnels package and $166 a month for Convertri. They are accurate prices. Just some examples of pages that have been created using this product and plenty of testimonials as well. But the key thing I think is to see this in action, folks. So how you would use it. You add a campaign, you choose a page template, and then you click save and your page goes live. And you can also see how it looks on tablet and on mobile as well, which we'll come to in just a moment. Yeah. So we'll come back to the sales page, folks, but I just want to first of all clear off these custom bonuses. So as I said, to get them, click on the link underneath and you'll come through to this page here. This video that I'm recording now will be in that space there. These are the points we've just gone through, and this is what you absolutely should watch, folks. So I know it's a lengthy watch, but as I always say, it's worth doing your diligence before you make a purchase. And this is a half-hour video. It's actually the training video that you'll find in the members area. So if fair play to the vendor, people aren't normally as upfront as this about exactly what you're going to get. So this is the exact training video you'll see in the members area.
Hello, welcome to the demonstration video for ProMarketer, a cloud-based app that lets you build and host professional marketing web pages. To get started, let's log in.
Okay, so that is half an hour watch, folks, but it's going to take you through the entire process of exactly what you can do with this, so I strongly recommend that you watch it. And these are my custom bonuses. So, working on the basis that you could be brand new, yeah, the first thing that I'm going to include is one of my own trainings, yeah, and this was a training I did for members of the Elite Tigers group, which shows them how to find affiliate offers to promote, and even more importantly, how to get approved to promote those offers, yeah. So this is about a 20-minute video, and it explains exactly how to find affiliate offers that are going to convert well, and also how to go about getting approval to promote them, which can be very difficult when you're a newbie. Taking that a stage further, I've got a more detailed introduction to affiliate marketing course here of about 15 videos from super affiliate Jono Armstrong, and this will take you through all the basics of doing things the right way in affiliate marketing. So again, if you're new or you've been failing, then watch this. This will teach you exactly how to do it correctly from someone who followed these exact steps and who is now making $100,000 a month. All right. The next bonus I'm going to show you is a course from Brendan Mace and Jono Armstrong, all geared to showing you how to make money with higher ticket offers. Yeah, this is a really, really important course, folks, that although you may not necessarily use some of the techniques straight away, you can certainly learn a lot from it. The next thing I'm going to include is a very good course from Kenny Cannon called The Breakthrough, teaching you a different method. Kenny is a very experienced super affiliate, and lots of people love his training. And finally, this another alternative take on affiliate marketing, this Bang Bang Profits method. Yeah, so I'm giving you lots of different ways here and providing you with a lot of different aspects of training in affiliate marketing. Because I'm guessing that this product is primarily going to appeal to newbie or just started affiliate marketers, because intermediate and more senior internet marketers are probably going to have something like ClickFunnels already. So I'm obviously gearing this and gearing the bonuses at what I consider to be the target audience for ProMarketer app. All right, so let's head back. So just to wrap up what you're actually getting with this, folks, the ability to create any kind of page you need for your business, full access to the proven winner template library. It's 100% new friendly, simple 30-second setup, over-the-shoulder quick start training videos, no monthly fees, full hosting with 0 fees, and an enormous time saver. So when you log into the members area, this is what you'll find: a couple of offers there and the opportunity to upgrade if you haven't upgraded. Your members area will look slightly different to this because this is like a demo mode. You can get your training here, folks. As I said, you'll get this exact half-hour video that you can already see on my bonus page. And again, most of the templates have not been loaded on this demo version, so I'm showing you in here just really how the thing works without actually being able to show you all of the templates that you can use. You basically click on add new page and give the page a name. So I've already done one in here, but let's just do another one. So I'm going to call this Elite Tigers 2. And let's say Elite Tigers product that we want to create, yeah, and I'm going to save that. Obviously you'd give it a much better name than that. So Elite Tigers 2, there I've got it. Now I would just click on edit, and what we've got here is the self-generated URL. So if you're happy just to use the ProMarketer app URL to have as your address for your product, then that is obviously absolutely fine, or your sales page, your lead page, whatever it is you're looking to create. But if you want to embed these into your own website to use and host yourself, you can just take the embed codes here and put them onto your own hosting. That is no problem at all, yeah. So then we click on the page builder, and as I said, this will be populated by a lot more templates that you can choose from, but I'm bringing you into this demo version just to show you how the thing actually works. So you've got two versions. You can either create one completely from scratch, where you can click this button here, plus button, but we're not going to do that. We're going to have a look at one of the template ones. So we click on this here, and then what we've got here is a completely editable page. So you'll see up here in the right hand corner, we've got 3 different versions. Now bear in mind that a lot of people are going to be watching this in mobile form now, probably well over 50%, yeah. So first we can click on a tablet, so that is exactly how it's going to appear on a tablet, and then we can click on the mobile icon, and now we can see exactly what people are going to see when they are viewing this on a mobile device, yeah. So that looks nice and clean, I think. Yep, pretty happy with that. And then we can go and edit it. Now, whether you want to edit it in mobile mode or whether you want to edit it in PC mode is entirely up to you. You can see all the buttons here, and it's a case of drag and drop. So if you want to add some text there, we can just drop that in there. And then we can just insert our text. If we want to put a quote in somewhere, we can just drop that in there. There's our quote. If you want to add a link down here, just put that there. Everything is drag and drop, folks, yeah? It's as simple as that to use. And as I said, you will get a lot more instruction on all these bells and whistles in the actual training video. So I've just shown you, people that watch these videos know that I'm completely non-techie, yeah? Completely is even an underestimate, yeah, but I can use this very easily, as you've seen. Yeah, if I want to put an image in, I can put an image in there, just add the image that I want to from my PC. Yeah, it's dead easy. I can use it, so you can definitely use it. All right. And as I said, do watch the full walkthrough video, which is on my bonus page here. That is half an hour long, and it will show you absolutely everything that this product does. All right. So let's finish off the sales page. Fast action bonuses from the vendor, tactical backlinks method, authority traffic and copywriting training course. These will be delivered in your members area. And there are also some bonuses that the vendor has given me to give to you. So let's have a quick look at those. These again will all be delivered in your members area. There's quite a few of them, folks, so very good bonuses. Facebook Live marketing, Facebook remarketing made easy, Facebook ads made easy, Facebook fan page tips, they obviously like Facebook, Facebook Live authority, Facebook ads domination, video ads made easy, authority traffic, video marketing made easy, YouTube ads made easy, modern video marketing, YouTube celebrity, and YouTube video mastery. All right, so all of those are completely free as well and will be added in your members area. The funnel, folks, I can tell you less about. All I can tell you is the pricing of it. You're going to have to look at the sales videos and make your own mind up about this. So the first upsell is going to be $47. It's the pro version. What extra you're getting? I know you're getting unlimited creation of templates, as you know, unlimited pages with this one. There's a limit to the number you can create each month on the front end, but with the pro version you can have an unlimited number. Second upsell is $27. You have to look at it, and then there's a higher ticket upsell which is $147, which I'm assuming is some sort of done for you solution, or maybe some coaching, but you will have to again have a look at that, folks. Yeah. So let us just wrap up this sales page. So you've got either the standard license or the commercial license, where obviously you can use it to build pages and funnels for other people. There's only $3 difference, so I think you're mad if you take the standard license, folks. You really do need to take the commercial license for an extra $3, $17. Obviously, for what this does, it's a bargain. It goes without saying. You know, we've seen the prices at the other page builders and funnel builders, so if you don't already have a funnel builder and a page builder, you're probably not going to get a chance to pick up anything cheaper than this, folks, with this functionality. Absolutely not. So that is pretty much it, folks. Just to reiterate, if you want to get all of these additional bonuses, all these courses from me, which have got several $100s worth of value, then all you need to do is click on any of these green buttons, come through to that will take you through to the sales page, come through and click on add to cart. That will then bring you back into your receipt area at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button to access your copy of this product, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that's pretty much it, folks. So going to give this a 3.5 out of 5-star Elite Tigers Group rating. I think that it's very competitively priced, and it's got very good functionality for the money. So all that remains is for me to thank you, as ever, for watching and indeed listening to this review video. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Pro Marketer app.